Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create video transitions using speed ramps in CapCut. So here you just need to add your clips and then just click on the clip and go to speed, select curve, click on custom and edit it like this. So you just need to speed up the beginning of the clips until 7.5 or 6 times, like this. Then slow down the rest of the clip or the end of the clip to 0.3 times, like this. Okay, now click on a check icon and do this for the rest of the clip. Okay, so I've already done the 3 dots at the beginning of the clips into 0.6 times and the rest of it into 0.3 times. And after that, you are done and the result will go like this. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.